So let's have the discussion on second type of problem wherein we have to find the bottom width of the dam section or maybe the retaining wall. The type 1 and type 2 problems are same for dam and retaining wall, except in retaining wall the pressure force is WH square by 2 into 1 minus sin phi by 1 plus sin phi, where W is the unit weight of earth and phi is the angle of repose. So the same you can do the problems if the concept is known. You can do both the problems of dam and retaining wall. So here I have taken a problem wherein we have to find the bottom width of the dam section. So here I have taken top width of the dam as 3 and the height of the dam as 8, and we are going to find the bottom width of the dam. So we know the water pressure is WH square by 2 kilonewton per meter, and W is given by this formula and X bar is given by this formula. I am solving the water pressure here for the given case. 10 into 8 square by 2 divided by 2, it is 320 kilonewton per meter force. The X bar, when we have to solve, we can substitute the values of A, but B is going to be unknown. Just keep the B as such in the equation. We cannot solve more than this. And the weight of the dam, solve for A, substitute for A, and B you can keep it as such, and we get an equation like this: some numeral into A plus B. So this is A and this is our B unknown. So when we have to solve the problem for the bottom width, we have to take into consideration, like when we divide the dam into 3 parts, we want the resultant to strike in this middle third zone of the dam or retaining wall. So this is first B by 3 and this is second B by 3. So we want to limit the Z of the dam resultant to be less than 2 times the B by 3 of the dam. So this is the case for safety of the dam, wherein you will not get tension in the dam section. If the resultant is striking in this middle last third of the dam, then the dam is supposed to fail by tension and you will have negative pressure this side. So the overturning of the dam happens and then the dam is going to collapse. So we need to limit the Z of the dam within these 2 thirds. So first B third and then the second B third. So we want our Z of the dam to be less than 2B by 3. So the Z equation is given by Z bar plus P by W into H by 3. And so it should be less than 2P by 3. So we are solving here. X bar is put as such, and here we are going to substitute for P, W and then H by 3, and we again denote this to be less than 2P by 3. So now while solving this equation, to be easy in solving this equation, keep this B by 3 and 3 in the denominator as such. Don't do any modifications here. Take all the 3 values here and then this numeral 320 divided by 96 into 8. Only these 3 you solve and get the value over here. Now we have 2 numerals and 1 B square term and 1 2B term. So you can substitute, you can solve this by B square plus this 3B, and these 2 can be added up. So the added up value is 35.6. Now I am cancelling the 3 both sides and I am taking the B plus 3 to the other side. Now we can check B square plus 3B plus 35.6 should be less than or equal to 2B by 3. Here you will get 2B square and I will get one more term called 6B. So 2B square minus B square will arrive at 1B square. 6B minus 3B will arrive at 1 plus 3B. So we are taking all the terms to this side. So you will get B square and 1 3B term, and then this will term become negative. So now we solve minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. A is the coefficient of first B square term, B is the coefficient of this term, and C is this coefficient. Substitute here and you get a value B square minus 4AC becomes, this C becomes negative, so this becomes positive. And then when you solve, you are going to get some value 151 root here, and that can be solved here as 12. So minus 3 plus or minus root of b square 12.2 divided by 2. So your answer arrives to be around some 4.5 meter or 5 meter. So this answer B value is much less when you compare top width 3 and bottom width is 5 I am getting for a height of the dam to be 8. The reason is the top width of the dam is more. So when you have more top width, this 3B, your B value you are getting very less. So you can try the same problem with the top width of the dam as 1.5 meter and get the answers from me. For this is the second division problem which can be done for retaining wall as well as dam sections. So do the same problem with height h and find the base width with the top width 1.5 meter, or you can keep it as 2 meter.